Okay, so do you remember when I said initially, or in the when we were talking about the PowerPoints, about retests, about price action? Yeah, it's not great. Bookie's just saying, is there pairs that it works on better than others? Strangely enough, the yen pairs, dollar-yen, isn't that reliable with Ichimoku. Any other pair I found is beneficial. I don't know why dollar-yen doesn't seem to work well, but it's out of experience. It's just one of the currency pairs that I don't really look to with regards to Ichimoku. Okay, going back, right, we're going back quite some time. This is a weekly chart, so we'll break it down here first. Okay, here we've got the breakout. Okay, if I count periods back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, that is the breakout line there. Okay, so on here is the brown line, and as this breaks out, it's above price action. So that's the first thing that we want to look at. So that's telling us it's a good breakout. Now here, we come back, as I said previously, to test the cloud. And there, if I can zoom in a bit better, you can see that, is an engulfing bullish candle. Okay? It touches the turning line. It gives us a bullish engulfing candle, and the market then trends higher. Sen lines are in order, okay, and then obviously she moves up. Here, we move back down inside the cloud. Let's get rid of some of this. This is some of my analysis. Okay, so we move back inside the cloud. Remember that the bias is still to the upside, okay, until the cloud breaks. So here we get two spiking candles. Okay, not really pin to bottoms because they're not big enough. Okay, and here again is an engulfing candle. Here's another engulfing candle, and then we get the break to the upside. Come back, retest, and then she moves higher again. Just answer some of these questions. Would you say Ichimoku is more relevant to yen pairs? Already done that one. How would you look to exit the trade when using Ichimoku? On price action, basically. You can look to the turning line, so you can look for a break of the turning line to exit the trade. The textbook is to wait until the turning line and the other Sen line of the standard line, sorry, of crossed. I look for chart formations, so I look for basically, if I'm in a bullish trend, I would look for an insider Rami with a confirming candle to tell me that that trend is likely to come to an end, or I look for a bearish engulfing candle. I know there are numerous different chart formations that you can look to confirm bullish and bearish trends, inside soldiers, etc. I believe that that those two chart formations are the most profitable or reliable. Okay, a bullish engulfing candle as well. I have a small twist on it on the basis that I want the bullish engulfing candle. So going back to this one, I hope you can see it. Okay. Can't zoom in on these charts very well. Here is a decent bullish engulfing candle. Now, it engulfs the whole range of the previous candle, not just the body. I know the textbook rule for an engulfing candle is the fact that the body just takes over. So obviously in a bullish engulfing, the green body, bullish candle takes over the body of the red candle. Obviously bearish is reversed. What I like to see is a complete engulfment of price action of that previous candle. because that basically says to me that not only did the market test the downside, but it fully rejected it and moved all the way to the upside. So it completely took over that previous candle, and that is a far more reliable candle or bullish candle than just looking for the bodies to engulf. I mean, here we've got a bearish engulfing candle, but the market still ticks higher. We'll be able to find numerous occasions, I'm sure, if I look long enough. Here you go, a bearish engulfing candle, but it then gets engulfed by a bullish candle because it doesn't take out the full range. And also, obviously, the best time to see a bearish or bullish engulfing candle is at the top or the bottom of a trend. If it's in the middle of a trend, yes, it does normally confirm that that trend is going to continue, but obviously at the top or the bottom of a trend is when they're the most beneficial and powerful, I believe. So here we came back in. As we said, the bias is still to the upside. It comes up, retests, and then moves away. That is actually an inside Arami candle. Comes back, gets engulfed. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're sort of getting off the subject a bit here. We really want to be talking just about Ichimoku Cloud. So here at the moment, we've come back into the cloud, bullish retest, and now we're inside. So the bias here on Aussie dollar, on a weekly chart, remember, is still to the upside. But this sort of bearish formation looks to the downside. That's why I'm trying not to confuse my analysis with too many time frames.